In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access YouTube Ads Manager. Here's the key insight up front. There isn't a separate YouTube Ads Manager. All YouTube ads are created and managed inside Google Ads, which is Google's all-in-one advertising dashboard. So the goal today is to get you signed in and comfortable navigating the exact areas where your YouTube campaigns live. Open your preferred browser and go to ads.google.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In. Use the Google account that's linked to your advertising activity. If you work with multiple Google accounts, double-check you're using the one tied to your ads to avoid confusion. Once you're in, you'll land on the Google Ads dashboard. Think of this as your control center for campaigns, budgets, audiences, and yes, your YouTube video ads. Let's get oriented. On the left, you'll see the main sidebar. If it's collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see each section clearly. The overview page gives you a high-level performance snapshot, impressions, clicks, cost, and conversions across your account. It's a quick health check to see what's happening without diving into details. If numbers look off, consider checking your date range in the top right. It's a common reason metrics appear empty. Next, head to Campaigns. This is where your YouTube video campaigns live. You can view all campaigns in one place, filter to see only video campaigns, and click into any campaign to check ad groups and individual ads. If you're managing a lot of activity, the table columns and filters are your best friends for staying organized. Audiences and targeting is where you set who sees your ads. You'll find options like demographics, interests, and more advanced audience types so your message reaches the right people. Good targeting improves efficiency and helps your budget go further. Budgets and settings is where you control your spend and the rules that guide delivery. Here you'll adjust your daily budgets, schedules, and other campaign-level settings. Even small changes can affect performance, so make updates thoughtfully and monitor results. Finally, open Tools and Settings at the top. This menu houses advanced options such as billing, linked accounts, and conversion tracking. If you ever need to confirm your payment method or link properties for better measurement, this is where you do it, and that's it. By signing into ads.google.com and navigating these core sections, you're effectively inside the YouTube Ads Manager experience, ready to review, optimize, and manage your video advertising.